Good day, people. Today we're going to solve two-step equation using the distributive property. Each of the graphic novels in Cam's collection increased in value by $3.50 in the last few years. If each graphic novel has the same value, what was the original value of one graphic novel? So looking at this question, we see that 10 graphic novels. Each book had an increase of $3.50 in value, and their current value is now $75. So we need a variable because we don't know the original price of the graphic novels. And based on what we are seeing, the question did ask us for the original value of the one graphic novel. So we can let N represent the price of one graphic novel. Okay, so we know the price of one graphic novel, and they said the value increased by $3.50. So one graphic novel price increased by $3.50. So we need to find 10 graphic novels now. So we have 10 parentheses N plus $3.50, and that we know that that total was now $75. From there, we can use a distributive property to expand these parentheses. So we can do 10 times N plus 10 times $3.50. And we know that should be equal to 75. Keeping our equation balanced, so we have to keep both sides of the equation. 10 times N gives us 10N. 10 times $3.5 gives us 35. And that's equal to 75. Now we need to isolate the variable, which means we need to get N by itself. So first we can eliminate this 35 by doing the opposite. We can subtract 35 to get a zero pair. So if we subtract 35 from this side of the equation, we have to do it on the right side as well. So now on the left side we have 10N is equal to 40. To get N by itself, we notice that we are dividing by 10 right here. We are multiplying by 10 right here, so we have to divide by 10. So we divide both sides by 10. We see that N is equal to 4. So the cost of one novel, or the original cost of one novel, is $4. Thank you for watching. Alright, so now we're going to do one of these questions just so you have the understanding as well. So we have -3 2x plus 5 equals 15. There are two ways we can go about doing this. We could divide both sides by -3 to eliminate this -3. Now we have 2x plus 5 is equal to -5. From there, we can subtract 5 from both sides to eliminate this plus 5. Now we see that we have 2x is equal to -10. From there, to get x by itself, we are multiplying by 2, so we have to do the opposite. We have to divide by 2. Dividing by 2 would cancel out these two, so we have x is equal to -5. We can check our answer. How do we check our answer? We use the same equation we started with, and where we see x, we put a -5 there. So we have -3, 2 times -5 gives us -10 plus 5. So we have -3 minus 5. And we see that that does gives us 15, the answer that we had at the start of our equation. So we know that our answer is correct. So this is our check our answer. So you should do that every time you get an equation to solve. Thank you for watching.